drifting along on a peaceful ride. 3 chirping sparrows up in a tree sing sweet songs so cheerfully. 4 tiny frogs near the stream, jumping and croaking in a muddy dream. 5 fluffy rabbits hopping in a row, nibbling carrots as they go. 6 flying bees buzzing near flowers, working together for hours and hours. 7 dancing leaves in the autumn breeze, twisting and turning with such ease. 8 shy deer in the forest green, peeking around where they're barely seen. 9 bright stars in the sky so wide, winking down with gentle pride. 10 playful puppies wagging their tails, chasing their friends on happy trails. 10 playful puppies wagging their tails, chasing their friends on happy trails.